What's up, guys? This is Jeff with Corner Creek Woodworking. Today is the 4th of July 2021. Happy 4th of July. And today I'm going to give you a little update on the shop. As you can see, the toddler bed is coming along. I've completed the build, got it taken apart, and I'm painting. That's going to take the rest of the day, and tomorrow hopefully I can finish it up then. Not sure when I can deliver it. We haven't gotten a mattress for it yet, so that'll be coming soon. I do have one more video that'll come out next week. It is a review for my little Ryobi router table. Then the next week will be another shop update, and the next week, hopefully by then, we will have the mattress so that I can take this to my granddaughter. Her birthday is actually a week from today on the 11th. She'll be 3, so she's really excited. I just hope I can get a mattress in time. If not, I'm not sure what I'll do. But either way, one thing I have realized while I've been working out here, my shop is a disaster. It is a cluttered mess, and it's kind of embarrassing considering what I do for a living. So with that being said, I think next thing I'm going to do is start trying to straighten this shop up a little bit and take care of some odd ends and make it a little easier to work in. The smaller projects that I typically do, the little 3 or 4 hour outdoor chairs and stuff, doesn't really matter that much that the shop is the way that it is. But when you get into a bigger project like this bed, it's awful to deal with. But hope everybody's having a good day. Thanks you guys for watching. Make sure you hit subscribe and ring the little bell so that you'll be notified when the bed is coming up and anything else that I've got coming along the line. And as always, if you guys have any questions, just leave it in a comment, and I'll be glad to answer it the next shop update in a couple of weeks. So again, happy 4th of July, and thanks for watching.